Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. This is the recipe of zucchini, or you call it toria in our Urdu language. This is very tasty, so let me show you how to make it. First, I'll be taking 6 to 7 pieces of zucchini and I will chop them into small pieces. Don't make the pieces really big. Take a medium-sized stainless steel pan or whichever pot you like to cook in and pour in all the chopped zucchini. I will be adding 2 medium onions and 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric and 1 tablespoon of dry coriander and 1 tablespoon of red chilies. Salt you can add according to your taste. This is a very easy recipe. You put everything in one pot with a little bit oil in it. Make sure it's not too oily and cover it with the lid and let it sit and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. All the zucchini will be cooked soon. As the time will pass by, keep checking on them and keep mixing up all the ingredients. So after 30 minutes, once all the water has dried and all the zucchini and the onions and everything is all mixed up together, it will give you a very nice taste. It's a quick recipe. It is done or made quickly. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. This smells so good. And our zucchini is ready. As you can see, all the water has dried up. Serve it with roti or naan. Until then, see you next time.